Let us see how to cut cabbage for fried rice. In this video, I'm going to show you two methods. One is the South Indian chop method and the other one is the thin strip method. Let us begin. Place the cabbage and cut it right at the center as you see in the video. Now we remove the hard portion from the center as this cannot be cooked. Place the remaining cabbage on the cutter and start slicing it vertically in terms of thin strips this way. Now it's time to chop it finely. In this method, we must ensure it is very finely cut as it will start blending with the fried rice very well. The chopped cabbage is now ready. In the second method, we will now look at how to cut it in terms of thin strips. You can see we're taking one piece of the cabbage and nicely shredding it in terms of thin strips. These strips will be used as it is in the fried rice. This is another method, an alternate method. If you feel the strips are too big, we can always trim it. And now we have cabbages in both the forms ready.